Hello, in this video I'm going to show you not only how I broke this lens, but where I feel Flightone and Falco are different from other flight controllers, how they feel. This is the spot that I feel stands out the most. Here I am flying my Torque Evo in my park in Memphis, and what I went out to do today was actually record what it looks like to have two high P's, and I ended up getting a very solid tune. And what you can see here is when I turn and stop, like I just did there, it just locks on where the nose is pointing. See, it comes down and it just stops. And that's really what I find to be the highest benefit of Flightone and Falco. Here I'm running a sim boost of 2.0 and my P is about 65. I'll post my PIDS below on Falco. So here I'm just having some fun going through here, and you can kind of see here I'm going up and stops, and it just stops right where I'm pointing the quad. And this is on my Evo, which is my race quad with race rates, and I'm freestyling with race rates. It's about 400 degrees per second. I challenge any of you freestyle guys to try this. I got this idea from actually watching Van Or's last video. As you can see, it just flicks and stops right where you point it. See, it just stops right there. And unfortunately, right there was a pull. I'll give you something to try. Go out and try it, Sim.0 and Falco. Check you next time.